Minasan, okari nasai, Candice desu. So it's finally October and I have a huge Alice in the Pirates Halloween haul. So I think by now everybody knows about my Usukuma Kumyakuma obsession. I even have my little shelf over there. So of course, as we all know, Usukuma is Baby the Starshine Bright's mascot. A couple years ago they came out with Kuma Kuma, and we've had like reinventions of like the Akuma Kuma, the Neko Kuma, Panda Kuma, all that fun stuff. Well, after Baby had huge success with its 2020 pandemic Usukuma novelty releases, they decided that why don't they start exploiting Alice and the Pirates as well. On June 1st of 2020, Baby the Starshine Bright posted on their Instagram page Alice and the Pirates' very first mascot, Captain Chris. Captain Chris is an adorable piratey wolf type character, and for a while they were doing these cute little posts that was called Captain Chris Sailing Diary, because you know, Alice and the Pirates, he's a pirate. Anyways, I haven't seen that posted in a while, but it was really cute, and at first I didn't really care about Chris, but now that it's been a little over a year and it's had time to like soak in, of course I had to finally get him, especially after this latest Chris's Sweet Factory Halloween print. I've been obsessed. So I think by now it's no secret that I absolutely abhor Angelic Pretty's release reservation system. It's maddening. Meanwhile, Baby the Starshine Bright has definitely been able to figure it out. The only problem with that is that they often do multiple reservations at the same time and you can't get any of them shipped together. So then you end up like me. Look, it's just 4 boxes. Really? As I mentioned, so this is all gonna be like a Halloween themed unboxing featuring Alice and the Pirates' new mascot, Captain Chris, times like 1,000, but you'll see. So I think the very first one that I'm going to start off with is this box. It has the new Candy Witch hat in black. I did really like the whole set, and it seems really plus size friendly, although I'm trying my hardest to keep stuff that I'll like wear more often throughout the entire year. It's more toned down, I say, as a horde of pony bags sit in the background, but whatever. So anyways, I only got the hat from this release, but it's really cute. But the whole set is really cute. Oh my goodness. And of course we have another baby bag to add to the collection. Honestly, I need to do a closet cleaning like pretty soon anyway, so maybe it's a good thing that I'm gonna get a ton of bags out of this unboxing today. So I like that they had it stuffed to help keep the shape. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this little ribbon and charms. Ah, so cute. Oh my goodness. And so I think the other color was pink and it looked like it had a polka dot lining, but this is just all plain black. Let's see. Oh, that's actually really cool. A little comb, so it won't slip off your head. Whoa, this is pretty legit. How does that look? This is like super cute. Well, I think it'd probably look cuter with a wig because my hair is pretty thin, so I think with a little bit fuller hair it would look really cute. But honestly, this ain't that bad. Yeah, so I used to have one of the old Antique Beast witch hats, and I've sold it quite a long time ago, but this is like way more heavy duty and sturdy than that one. This is really nice. I really like it. All right, so that's box number 1. We are going to be moving on to box number 2, and this is the beginning of the Captain Chris Extravaganza. Bag number 2. Thanks, baby. One of the first items that was ever released for Captain Chris was, of course, first the Captain Chris pouchette, and then the second thing was the Captain Chris ear and tail set. And at first I thought it was the worst thing I've ever seen. Totally eat it ugly, whatever. But like I said, Captain Chris just kind of grew on me, and I figured it'd be really cute for Halloween to, you know, people are gonna ask you, you know, what are you dressed up as? And now at least I can say something. I'm gonna be dressed up as a adorable wolf pirate. Okay, so now we're gonna change out. Ooh, this hat is so cool. So here it is, his ears, and this little, like, his little tuft of hair. It's flat on the bottom, so hopefully the under part won't show up. Whatever, man, this is like so cute. I don't even care. Honestly, I think it would look pretty cute if I had like a hair bow or like a bow clip or something to put on the side. And then here we got the tail. It's very squishy. There's the little Alice in the Pirates tag, and it has a little safety pin-esque thing clip to put on the back. Okay, so I don't want to end up stabbing myself trying to put this on right now, so I'll just have to put this on later when the dress is not physically on my body. But super cute. And of course, we're still in the middle of a raging pandemic. I am fully vaccinated. However, you can never be too safe, especially because I have 2 young kids that I love and adore, and I don't want to risk passing anything on to them. So I got this cute Captain Chris emblem embroidery mask in silver. Because I mean, if we're gonna wear masks, then we might as well make it match, right? Oh, this is really cute and like simple, black, neutral, fits with everything. Those were just regular sale items. They were shipped out immediately. Everything else, like the witch hat and the next 2 boxes, actually took a while to come in just because they were reservation items. Anyways, so time for box number 3. So like I said, it was the release of Alice in Pirates' new Chris's Sweets Factory print that I absolutely fell in love with, and it kind of jump-started my Captain Chris obsession. And here it is. Oh, it's so pretty. So I got this on the Baby Japan web shop when it was first released for pre-order, and here it is. Just look how cute. Look, there's the baby Chris. Oh my goodness, this is so cute, and it's cotton. The card suit lace. So the one thing that really sold me on this dress was, look at this pocket. It's so stupid, ridiculous cute. It's a Chris pocket. And of course it's detachable, so you don't have to wear it with the apron if you don't want, which is really cool because I feel like that adds like versatility to the cord. So it's nice that you can wear it in like multiple ways. So here's the apron by itself. Honestly, I would have preferred the ivory half apron that came on the pink colorway. Honestly, I'm kind of half tempted to buy that, steal the apron, and then sell the dress. But this is like so small and simple. I might actually just use this as a template to sew my own in different colorways. Like I think a black one would be cute to go with it too. But there it is. Oh my goodness. Look at it, the melty Chris. It's so cute. So yeah, as soon as I saw this print, I instantly fell in love with Captain Chris. Look at these bats carrying teapots and candy. So I thought that the black witch hat would actually look really cute with that. I also thought that this would go really well with it. But I was really in love with both hair accessories for this series. I do have a lot of bows, so I decided to go with something a little different this time around, and I got the cute little candy-shaped hair ties. They're so cute. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I'm so glad I got this. This is like so freaking adorable. And I also got these really cool black and lavender striped socks, because black and lavender socks is one color combination of socks that I don't have, and I think it would go really well with two of my other dresses. I have Vampire Requiem and lavender, and I have one of Angelic Pretty's lavender Halloween prints, and I do not remember the name of it, so it's gonna be like right here. Yeah, I thought that this would go with a number of things in addition to this, so that's how I justified getting it. So, and that would have been it. And then I saw this last thing, the Baby Chris pouchette. So this is a limited item, only available on Baby the Starshine Bride Japan website and the physical Alice in the Pirate stores. So if you try to reserve it through San Francisco, it wasn't available, just on the Japanese site. As I pointed out already, is on the print, and it was just so cute, I couldn't resist. Oh my god, he's so cute. Hold on. This is one of the cutest things I've ever seen in my life. He's soft, he's so cute. I love his bib. And he seems to actually be able to fit a decent amount of stuff. I guess probably similar to the amount that the regular Usukuma and Kumakuma pouchettes do. Definitely like 3 or 4 times the amount of what these guys can hold. Oh, he's so cute. Look at his little derp tongue. Oh my god, he's so cute, and his little blue eyes. Ah. So if I have Captain Chris ears and tail, does that mean when I wear it I'm cosplaying him? Oh, his little claws, so cute. Okay, yeah, I love him. Am I obsessed on the level of Usukuma? No, but kind of. I might buy more Chris stuff, but so far everything that I've seen really hasn't called to me the way that this dress has and this little pouchette has. It's so cute. Look at that. Like he is gonna go up on my special shelf. Look at all your siblings. Okay. I get the hype and I'm like into it. I'm into it. Yeah, so that is it. I've been waiting weeks for everything to come in. I've been slowly, as they've been coming in, I've been like putting them in the corner of my room so I could open them all together at once because they were all kind of themed. And yeah, that's it. I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time.